Hi, welcome to Creating Your Own Path to Success. My name is Thelma. I'm happy, as always, to have you here. So, um, this video is coming from posts that I've put on TikTok and the number of people that have expressed interest in being in the online business, or yeah, let's put it like that, the online business. So, there are some things I wanted to clarify. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the opportunities that exist online. The the list is endless, just like in real life. I use real life, the phrase real life very loosely because online is also real life, you know. So, um, but basically, what exists online is the same that exists in our like the physical, let's put it like that, physical business. So an example would be if you're a secretary in an office, every morning you come in, you maybe clean up the office a bit, dust around, and get ready for your day. And then in the day, you will receive calls, you will report to your boss about different assignments that you were working on. Maybe you will receive customers, you will take notes at meetings, you'll remind your boss about different things. So that's the work of a secretary. So if you come to the online world, it's the same thing. So in that case, you would be kind of like an online secretary or um, um, executive secretary, administrative secretary. So basically, your job would be to help people, um, run their business, for example, right? So on that, in that field, you're not actually going into an office. How you're doing it is you're getting on your computer, you're switching it on, then you're logging into your account. Then whatever is there to be done, you do it. So if it is checking your boss's emails and reminding him of the important ones that he needs to reply, or replying the ones that you know you can reply, calling people, which you can do from wherever you are. There are various apps and customer management systems that different clients use, and so you will have access to that, and that's what you will use to reach out to people. Then at the end of the day, depending on who you're working for and what your job description is, you will report. Okay. The other example, if you're a graphic designer, for example, I'm using these because those are the skills I started with. You're a graphic designer. Um, if you work for a company, you'll be doing the same. Okay, you're supposed to design this calendar for 2022, right? So they've given you all the pictures. You look at them. You you sign in. If you are being paid for the hour, there is a time clock. You clock in. You do the work you have to do. When it's time, you clock out, and then that's how it goes. Okay. Um, if you are a writer, for example, you see what needs to be written. They give you your brief, you look at it, you go and do your research, you write, you present. They look at it. If they are okay, they okay it, you are paid. Or if it's not okay, you go back, fix it until the job is done, you get paid. Like that. It follows the same suit for everything. Data entry, same thing. Okay, we need somebody to, this list that we've given you, it is a scanned document. For example, it's 20 pages. We need it to go into a Google Sheet. So that requires detail, attention to detail. You will look at it. Okay, date, put in date. Color, put it in. This, that, put it in. Make sure everything is correct. You submit, you are approved. You move on to the next, the next, the next assignment. That's how that works. If it's transcription, it's to transcribe something. So you can transcribe an audio, or you can try and transcribe a video. So this video I'm doing, for example, when I'm done with it, if your job is to transcribe it, you listen to everything I'm saying, and you type exactly what I'm saying and put it in. Every transcription requirement is different, so you will have to learn what it goes with. All of these things are quite simple if you can apply yourself and you can be smart enough. you will be able to do it. And then there's the free flow, like the freelance. I want to have my own clients. So basically, you are like an independent contractor. You are your own business, and you are building your own business. So okay, so I take on your transcription, I do it. I take the next person's, I do it, like that. All of these are there, and then there are payment systems that you use. There are systems that you use so that you don't get cheated, so that the customer doesn't get cheated. Because again, the person is in Australia, you are in Ghana. The person is in Singapore, you are in Kenya. So you need checks and balances in the to keep everything balanced. That is why I prefer to use the apps that are already existing, like Fiverr.com, like Upwork.com, like Guru, because they handle the payment stuff. Yes, they take 20% of your income, but you know that. And so if you're charging somebody and you know they're going to take 20%, you're charging somebody 25, you know they're going to take 20%. If, for example, I'm not calculating, I'm just saying, if that 20% is $5, then you know you are going home with 20. If you're okay with that, that's fine. If you feel like that's not enough for you and you need to, but you also need to look at so all of these things go into setting yourself up. And these are some of the things I'm going to be teaching you about. I've gone through this. I can share with you all the systems and all the setups, but they will be in subsequent videos. So each video, if you see some of the videos I've put up, I've told you about the opportunities and where they are. So the next one I was going to do was to, okay, each one, Upwork, how do you do it? Fiverr, how do you get on? And those are the videos that are going to follow. And that's why I keep sending people to Facebook or to YouTube to hear, because why? This is where the detail is going to be. I can't teach you in 2 minutes or 1 minute how to do this. Sometimes you will have to even be there for like a week or a month before you can figure out what you even want to do. So all that, you have to keep all of that in mind. So with that in mind, this is just an intro. Hopefully you'll listen to this through to the end. Me, I don't use clickbait, I don't use hooks, I don't use anything. It's a free service I'm offering you. If you want it, great. If you don't, you can just skip on by and go do your business. Okay, I don't really get anything from this. This actually takes time from me. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll be posting something else very soon, the next step of how to get to where you need to go.